Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable account manager on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then we're going to click on message settings. Then as you can see, there is the account manager option. We're going to click on it. So as you can see, push notifications are turned on. You're going to turn it off. So from now on, anything related to account manager sending you notifications won't be sent to your account. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. You guys could also check out to enable it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.